So, you've made all this wonderful home brew. How much have you spent? Dan posed me a question.
Do you need to say the same thing about the cost of the recipe?
I'll do one tomorrow morning.
Oh, you can do one for tomorrow when you check it.
Okay. Yeah, be sensible.
I know how much it costs.
How much does a bottle of home brew cost? Brewed in the Clarkson 23 litre kettle. Last week, we released a video stating how much electricity was used, and if you haven't seen it, click up here, it's a fun one. So for this experiment, we did a pale ale with 2 grains and 2 types of hops, 3 hop additions. We made 42 bottles. Ingredients were 4 kilos of Maris Otter, 462 grams of dark crystal, total of 50 grams of Northern Brewer and 50 grams of First Gold, but we put in 70 grams of homegrown house hops. And the yeast, because of the time of year, we used Saison yeast. Now, when you're buying your ingredients, you've got 2 options, as some of you know. You can buy in bulk, like me and Dan do, or you can buy as a custom kit. Now, your custom kit comes out at £26.93, including VAT. If you were to buy in bulk, like me and Dan did, it comes out at £21.26. Now, including the VAT, we calculated the electricity cost for the brew at £1.54, and I'm going to put in £1 for the sundries, like heating up your sparge water and any cleaning materials like you use, sterilisation fluid, etc. So as you can see on the screen, if you were to buy it in bulk, you would have a ingredients list of £21.26. Electricity, sundries, total cost £23.80. Divide that by 42 bottles, which is what we got out of this brew, gives 57 pence. But if you were to buy as a custom kit, that would go up to 70 pence per bottle. I don't know about you guys, but for a standard brew without any dry hopping, etc., I thought that was a touch expensive. Let me know in the comments what you think a bottle of beer, a Welsh Pale Ale, should come out at.